shameless pitch of one of Neil's products coming up.
Warning, warning, shameless pitch time, shameless pitch time.
Philip Wellens said, Neil, how can I source a supplier in India with a view to targeting the Indian market for sales? Now, if you want to sell in India on Amazon, you should, without a shadow of a doubt, get my Amazon India course. It is bloody brilliant. The folks that do it give me awesome feedback, and it's a freaking bargain as well, because it will save you not only a lot of time, but also, more importantly, a lot of money as well. So, little pitch, go get the course. If you're serious about selling in India, it's like 2 installments of $47. It's super, super cheap. Go get the course. You won't regret it, all right? With that being said, where do you find some suppliers? Let me give you 2 of the places that I cover in the course. So let's just suppose we're wanting to find some packaging boxes, okay? And we want to find them in India. I'm on Alibaba. So all I'm going to do, supplier area, I can come down here and I can choose my area. So Africa, Oceania, blah, 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 and I can choose India. So that's one way I can find Indian suppliers for my products, because they're listed on Alibaba.com. They're not all of them, of course, but you know, there's some folks on there, and that's going to give you some good info. Same again, let's go packaging boxes. And now I'm on Global Sources, one of my favorite websites, and I can do the same again. For the same kind of thing, I can go to more filters, supply locations, show more, and I've got 407 people in India where I can go source this product from as well. So that's 2 super easy ways to find suppliers. There are more, of course, and I cover those in my course, of course.
By Neil's course.
However, that'll get you started. They're 2 very, very cool ways to get yourself started doing that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.